back in here to do weights. We're on day 50. I wish I would be hearing stuff since there's 3 of them at day 50, but there's 3. Alright, day 50. These are the next set and the 2 next sets. Don't care, they're so far away, but we're going to go ahead and weigh everything again today. We're going to go to, well, the next one will be 57. Next time we weigh will be 57. That's where the emu that laid these eggs actually hatched at. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to take them out. We're going to weigh them. Try to record what we're weighing, and it's 470, which is on track. Nothing is cracked, so it's kind of hard to tell what's going on. I mean, I don't want one to blow up, but I want one to hatch, really. That's the second one, 483. That's right where it should be. We turn them over, laying them back down. Same thing. In my opinion, they weigh, the hand feel for these is completely different on each one. So that's not something you can go by on checking fertility on emu eggs. So, I mean, this one's light. I mean, yeah, they're to their weight, but I don't know. I know I should be maybe hearing something soon. This is 529, so we're 516, so we're all right. We'll spin it and put it back in the thing. We're at 31 humidity, but we got clouds outside today, so that's why it's up that high. 538, which is close, right where there should be. So that part, if it means anything, is right on track. And I know you hear the doubt in my voice because I want these to hatch, but it may not happen. 549, and we spin her over. Let me do the foot pages here and get the new set weighed on their first, on their second weigh-in. 570, which is right on track. Oops, need to turn it. 540, which is right on track. And 583, right on track. And we're 2 weeks into these guys, so they're spun. Everything is doing good. It looks like I did have a temperature spike. It went to 99, so that's not good. This incubator's a little old. It's a good 10 years old, but I was hoping it does its job, but I can't tell you if they're fertile. It doesn't. Not gonna know until something does or does not hatch by day 60, which I'm gonna run out of paper here, but 50. Next week will be 57. That's when they hatch, but I hear they go all the way to 60, almost 70 days. But yeah, let's put her away. Let them do their cooking, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for keeping up with my efforts here. I'm having fun doing it no matter what. Thanks for watching.